Good morning. Welcome to another session of our online video lessons. There's a past question. I'm going to look at it together. This was for the year 2023. A typical word problem. In a football match, the tickets for children and adults were sold at 3 cities and 5 cities respectively. If 400 people attended the football match and 1,700 was collected in ticket sales, we want to find A. How many tickets were sold to adults? B. Mr. Sonko sold 250 tickets. If 175 of the tickets were for adults, how much sales did he make altogether? Let's jump to the solution. Now from here, we are going to watch a match. Now, if they are selling tickets for children and selling tickets for adults, then in total, 400 people attended the match. It means that we should know the number of children that attended. We should know the number of adults that attended. Now, since the person is demanding for tickets that were sold to adults, which we don't know, there's a need to represent something by a variable. We can start by saying that let x equals number of children who attended the football match, and then y for the number of children, number of adults who attended. Now with this, if x children are attending the match and y adults are also attending the match, the question told us again that 400 people attended the match, and these 400 people, they are made up of children and adults put together. So we can say that number of children plus number of adults equals 400. I have my equation 1. If this is our equation 1, then the question also said that 1,700 cedis was collected in ticket sales. Now, before this amount is collected, it depends on how much you have sold. And whom did we sell it to? We sold it to the children and then we sold it to the adults. Now, X children attended the match, Y adults attended the match. So selling to this set of people gives us the amount that was collected in sales. So we are saying that the children's ticket times their number plus the adult ticket times their number is giving us the total amount which was collected at the stadium, giving us equation 2. Now this is a simultaneous linear equation involving two variables x and y, which we are going to find the values of x and y. Now there are 3 methods which we use over here. We can use the graphical method, substitution method, and then the elimination method. To make it so much simple for us, we are using the elimination method. You can try the substitution and then the graphical. Or in our subsequent lessons, we will take another lesson with the substitution method. From here, to use the elimination method, we must eliminate one variable. And before the elimination, the coefficient of the variable to be eliminated must be the same in both equations. So I will go ahead to say that equation 1 times 3. Now it means that all the terms in equation 1 are being multiplied by 3. So x times 3 is giving us 3x. Y times 3 is giving us 3y, because 400 times 3, 1,200. Equation 3. Now from this resulting equation, we're going to work on this equation and then the equation 2. Now equation 1 is not going to be used over here because we relied on equation 1 to get a different equation, equation 3. So we can't depend on it since we have gotten another equation from that equation. Now the coefficients are now the same. that's the coefficient of the variable to be eliminated, are now the same. Since they are now the same and then their signs, that is, they are both positive over here, they are saying that we subtract the two equations. I'll go ahead and say equation 2 minus equation 3. Now, that is 3x minus 3x will give us 0x, that is 0. 5y minus 3y will give us 2y. And then 1700 minus 1200 will give us 500. From this, we can get y to be y is equal to 250. Now, if y is 250, it is not that important to find x because from the question, we have found the number of tickets that were sold to adults. We started by saying that y should represent the number of adults who attended the match. So if you have gotten y, that answers our question. Now we can just go ahead and then substitute y into any of the equations to get x. So if I go ahead and say put y equals 250 into equation 1, this implies that x plus 250 is equal to 400. X is equal to 400 minus 250. Our x is equal to 150. From here, the question was demanding for the ticket that was sold to adults. Therefore, number of adults who bought the ticket equals 250. 250. Now we are done with the A. The B. The question is saying that Mr. Sonko sold 250 tickets. Now, if 175 of the tickets were for adults, now if out of 250, 175 is for adults, then we can say that the remaining tickets are for the children. Now, how do you get that? Just by subtracting 175 from 250. And what are we getting? We are getting 75. So it says, how much sales did he make altogether? Now from here, you can simply put this together as, now for adults, it is 5 cedis per ticket. And then 175 were sold to adults. Then in total, Mr. Sonko sold 250. 175 has been sold. We can say that the remaining is for children. So 250 minus 175. Now from this is 5 times 175 plus 3 times 75. Now we just put this together. 3 times 75, that will give us 225 cedis. And then we have 5 multiplied by 175. That will give us 875 cedis. In total, what do we get? We are saying that we realize an amount of 1,100 cedis. So therefore, Mr. Sonko sold or realized 1,100 from the sale of 250 tickets. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. It's been very interesting. I hope you join us for our next video lessons. Thank you and have a good day. Goodbye.